Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the difference between the 320 PSI Ryobi Ezclean versus the 600 brushless PSI version. So originally, I was just going to buy the 320 PSI version and I wasn't going to buy the 600, but unfortunately the performance didn't meet what I wanted. So I have some old video clips, so I'm just going to go over quickly what the 320 PSI one comes with and the 600 PSI and the differences and how they perform. So this kit comes with a 4 amp battery. 4 amp is pretty decent. So, to put that in terms of, time, I was able to wash, two cars in about a 45-minute span. I was using it to rinse down the cars, use the foam blaster attachment, as well as rinse back off the cars. And, it still had about half the battery life. So that's pretty good. What it comes with is these two wands here. They're both made of plastic. There's adjustments on the top. There's a 15-degree, a turbo angle, and then just a regular like sprayer. So it's pretty long. There's two. You don't have to use both. You could just use one. And also it comes with this super convenient hose. So you can suck up water from anything. So, when I'm washing a car, I'll just throw it in the car washing bucket. If I'm spraying pavers in my patio, I'll just throw it in the pool. So super convenient. It's a great attachment. Also, it comes with a quick connect adapter, right? So if you want, you could take it and you can plug it up directly to your hose, right? So you just take this little adapter, screw it one into the hose, and quick connect it directly to the Easy Connect adapter. The last attachment is there's a nozzle. You can screw that into like a 2-liter, and then there's a hose that will go down the 2-liter. And basically, you could use a 2-liter bottle, put whatever solution you want in there, and use the sprayer. So like if you want to put some cleaning solution or some bleach or whatever, and start spraying stuff, you can. And in addition, I spent extra money, about $30, and I bought this foam blaster attachment. So you have to buy this attachment because Ryobi uses a proprietary connector, so you can't use a standard foam cannon like a quick connect. However, later I'll show you that you can use a quick connect with the 600 PSI version, or if you buy an extension one, you can use it with this. So this foam cannon, I would say it's okay. I wouldn't say it's worth the price because, for the same price for a regular quick connect one, you can get a way better one. But I think it's because the 320 PSI one is kind of lacking. So there's adjustment up top for the soap, so you can adjust your soap level. You can also adjust the direction of which it's spraying. So, but you can't adjust the angle of the soap coming out, right? So next up, the 600 PSI one, the biggest difference is the wand. So the wand on the 600 PSI one is going to be on the left, which is the metal one, and then the one on the right is the 320 PSI one, which is made of plastic. So if you look at the wand, I already swapped out the nozzle. So the nozzle, it comes with the same nozzle, but I swapped it out with a quick connect adapter, and that will allow me to use the quick connect adapter to connect a standard foam cannon or different quick connect adapters like nozzles, 15, 25 degrees, whatever comes in a standard kit. But all the other accessories are the same except for the wand. So because of this wand and the power from the 600 PSI, I think this is the better value. It costs a little bit more, but watch. So on the left side, I'm using the 600 PSI along with my quick connect adapter and a cheap, $30 foam cannon from Amazon. I'm using the same soap in both the Ryobi foam blaster and my foam cannon, which is the Chemical Guys Honeydew, which is one of my favorite soaps to use for foam cannons. And you can see on the left side, the soap is sticking to the car pretty well. They're both dripping off the car, but you can see there was a thicker coat on the left side. On the right side, I'm using the 320 PSI one. It's a bit weaker. Along with the Ryobi foam cannon, it's just not as strong. So here I have both cars. This is the 320 PSI one. I just wanted to show you guys, the standard nozzle, the spraying capabilities. So for this part, it's actually not that bad. So if you're just, looking to rinse off your car, after a car wash, this works perfectly, right? So the only problem is some of the angles, like it's not as good. So obviously if you're using like a 15-degree or you're using the turbo, it's very narrow. So with the quick connect adapters, I'm able to quickly swap out to a 45, a 30-degree, 20-degree, whatever I want to use, right? So It just makes it a lot easier to do a lot of different things. So, so here again, you're gonna see some more of the 320 using the standard Ryobi foam blaster. So you can see the soap is super watery. It doesn't really coat that well. It doesn't really stick on. As soon as you spray it, you could just see it kind of just falling off the car, right? So that's probably the biggest difference between the 600 versus 320. In addition, this is like on the maximum amount of soap level. So, and I put quite a bit amount of the chemical guys Honeydew, and it just doesn't really have that sticky thick foam effect that you normally see when people detail the cars and stuff. So I'll keep playing the rest of the video, but at the end of the day, I would spring for a little bit more and grab the 600 psi one. Not only that, because you can easily swap out the nozzle for the quick connect adapter. I have another video to show you how, along with links on what parts you need to buy, but it's like 20 bucks. You could swap it to a quick connect, then you could buy all the cheapest accessories off Amazon and use, the standard cheap foam cannons along with, the different degree nozzles. And, there's lots of other accessories that you could use that are quick connect, and it just makes things a lot easier. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hit the like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so now here's a quick demonstration of me using different attachments. So here is a 40-degree angle. Not too bad. So real quick, I'm gonna switch to a 15-degree. So you can see, not bad. And then also, let me throw in a foam cannon attachment. So I had the Ryobi foam cannon attachment, but it didn't allow for a lot of adjustment as far as angle, amount of soap. It just didn't have enough adjustment to give me the right amount of foam that I wanted. So here it is. So as you can see here, this has a pretty thick amount of foam. It gives me a lot better coverage than the original Ryobi attachment, and that's the main reason why I switched over to this quick release adapter, so I could use my own attachments and have a better use of my Ryobi Ezclean. I hope you enjoy the tools and tips.